Hey, what is going on guys? It's Top Gaming Tech Place here. Welcome back to the channel. So in this video we will focus on some of the error codes that occurs when launching app on the PS4. By the way, like the video and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed. So if you get this error code when launching an app, like you see in this video, first close the app and log out from your current user. So after you have logged out from the current user, create a new user and then try the process again. The second option is this: you can get this error code when the app you have installed is on a higher firmware such as 12.50, and your console is running on a lower firmware such as 9.00 or lower. So in this situation, you can check the release date of the game, and then download the required update, which is also known as backport file, which fits your current system's software version. Sometimes too you need to delete the app from the PS4. If you already have the backup saved on a USB or a PC, then reinstall the app once again. And at this time install the backport first, followed by the base game. Please, if this video is helpful, then leave a like, and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed.